In this video, we're going to cover two more methods, the reverse and sort methods. So again, I'm just going to recreate a list, a_list right here. So the reverse method does exactly what it says it will do. And there's no parameters in here. It reverses the list in place. So let's go ahead and call this. Now notice that nothing is returned, but it has mutated the list in place. So now it will just be in reverse order like this. Okay, great. So let's look at the sort method. So the sort method is also pretty simple. It just sorts the list in numeric order from lowest to greatest, so from least to greatest. So here 1 is the lowest number, 100 is the greatest. So it's just going to sort all of the elements in place. So I just executed that, and to verify that it's been sorted, let's output the list. So here we have 1 to 100. Everything is in order. It doesn't matter that there is a mix of floats and integers. It will sort it all the same. Now you can sort it in reverse order. So from highest to lowest, there is a reverse parameter you can set to true like this. So you can say, all right, sort it, but sort it from greatest to least. So let's execute that, and it will happen in place again, and that will sort it from greatest to least. So that is the reverse and sort methods.